Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Coach Jess, and I'm going to go through the trade ideas for today. So this was Tesla. Again, I do provide pre-market levels and calls and puts based off of my charting. And this is something that I do go over with my economy group and my students. So we were waiting for the entry opportunity. We did get a VWAP break, and we also had another opportunity at the VWAP retest, plus additional compound entries. We got in right at the VWAP break around 9:40. Cost of the trade was $434. The profit was $539 once our TP was hit, and that gave us 124% ROI. The next one was absolutely beautiful. It was SPY. As you can see, I had call levels above here, so that did not happen, and I was looking for puts underneath the structure. Once it broke this level, because we were under the VWAP, we were able to get in on that next candle. If you didn't see that entry, no big deal. There was an opportunity of a retest of market structure, and you could have gotten in there. Based off the entry provided, this trade cost $154. It gave a profit of $429 with an ROI of 278%. So that was really, really nice. The next one was SPX. It moves the same exact way as SPY, just a more volatile pair and pays quite a bit. This one, and more expensive, I should say. I don't recommend this for newbies at all for stock options, if I have to be honest with you guys. However, this trade cost $1,649, and it actually ended up going to our higher time frame level, which was right of a retest of a gap right before market close, and that gave us a profit of 6,720, which was a 307% ROI. The next one is QQQ. We did have a little bit of break of my call level. It technically played out because it hits my first TP, but definitely was not an ideal trade. Maybe something on the 2-minute that could have been taken. But that one technically hit. However, I was more focused on the sell because obviously that's where the momentum was today. Same as SPY and SPX. Yes, you could have gotten in much sooner, but I'm taking these from the levels that I provide at pre-market. So once we got the break, we were under the VWAP, we were in on the next candle for a 4.25 move. Cost of the trade was $232. Profit was $306, giving us a ROI, or return on investment, of 131%. NVDA gave us, this is the level. Now, you could have gotten in much sooner. You could have gotten in right here once you saw price was rejecting all these levels. However, this is what pre-market was. So I was basing it off of that. And we had a gap. So I didn't want to get caught up in consolidation in this area. So my put level was right below that gap, just to ensure that I was giving a high probability trade. However, a put could have totally been taken right from here. And I wish I would have saw that. So we didn't get that nice of a return because of the late entry. The cost of the trade was $409 with a profit of $157, giving us a 38% return. The next one was my baby end phase. We did get a quick scalp on the 5-minute or less. That I don't have notated right now, but that one was pretty good. And then again, the same as the others. So this was the put level provided, waited for it to break, gave us the retest, got in after the retest just to make sure that we were good. And that trade played out all the way to my say yes to Jess level, giving us a $7.50 move. The cost of trade was $543, profit $463 from this setup. Again, obviously you could have gotten in sooner, but I give these levels during pre-market. And profit, $463 with an 85% ROI. The last one was Apple. Wasn't the best just because of where my level was at. Now, we did have a call, and that ended up playing out to the TP I provided. So the call ended up playing out, and then we also had the put as well. The put was pretty obvious. There was some market structure. We broke, we retested, and it was an opportunity to take a quick trade. My TP was at 135.50, and it did not achieve my second TP, so I just stopped it right there. This one gave the worst return out of all of them. The cost was $160 with a $55 return, giving us a 34% ROI. So again, stock options can be super lucrative. They pay very well. Of course, we do take losses. As I just said, we had a loss with NVDA right here. It did not achieve my take profit. I don't know if I said that or not, but it did not achieve my take profit. So there is risk involved with this, but as you can see, the return is absolutely beautiful and the market moves really nice. So if you want to learn more about it, feel free to check out the link in my bio. My classes are there. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Bye.